Any words? All right.
He brought it to our attention. Let's see what they bring. You know, I mean, I don't want to, eat a meal which is not cooked. Yeah, I thought we should wait. And then what they said in the press, we will never prosecute anybody unless we have all the evidence. You see, this cancels the initial position. We don't have the evidence, but we rush the man to court and come and plead the record for more time. That's a travesty of justice, playing with the liberty of the individual and vain experimentation.
Has your relationship with that?
Our relationship have not diminished, but I'm careful. Let's have a phone conversation and somebody says that, oh, I'm trying to, romance the Attorney General. There's a precedent. And now I've been around for some time. I don't want to talk to the Attorney General, although we are very good friends, lest somebody might or even go and interpret it. And somebody might even go and leak a tape. Atta is hobnobbing with the Attorney General so that you have some advantages. That is why I'm very quiet about it. I've been around for a long time, and the Attorney General knows it. I'm a senior at the bar. I'm not cheap.
So you've not cut off communications with Dr. Ine, you would say?
I believe so. For now, I don't believe I should be discussing anything with the Attorney General. And if there's anything he wants us to do outside the trial, maybe he should find a better way of doing it, because I'm scared that the kind of propaganda that's in the public space, they can put any kind of spin or interpretation of any engagement I want to do. I'm very, very careful.
Thank you very much.
Na ye anu to nchen a osan ye private legal practitioner ne din ene Kwasibotwe Junior. Ono de to just Attorney General public commentary na e koso sesi a se ye be yi no anase ye nyi no afa enu echi National Signals Bureau NSB boss director General Kwabena Boahene ono so se ye be yi na anase ye nyi no o se e unlawful and improper. Yewra Botwe some of the two nyina ne sa wose Yewra Dominic Ayene Attorney General on the Minister Osan Minister for Justice ohunu se adwuma ye de ama no ne bebi a wose ne hye nam no watra hye e na ne ma wo ye ne nyina se wobu mra na nimtia eno ne nsem a ono so de aba court e de aba abonte so ene lawyer Kwasibotwe Junior e wa ahomaso ye nko panifo se kakum ye yi wo kwaku anum de na lawyer eno be kakum kwaku na mame lawyer akwa ba ye mo ha mo akwa ba e ba ye kasebo iso ho adom me ho ye pa lawyer yenim se Ghana ha ye se bibia kire ya dwen a patapani pieto aban na oronti emfa nkọ court na ensam wa abayi a wo se oni wo munya adwen hu ni se obi trahye no kwan ba so na hu nu a hu ni sa yehia education from you
me da se bebre we nya ba wie die ma memfa konye na mentia wakasa na mentia wasifo ni ani omomo sen wo social media funyan bia we feed kesi kotutia na emisa sema Attorney General dia koda in court about Ura Boahene ya mecheni ane say you so be for mining sika na ubi afa kwan bitua ene o mining bra ne boy bra me support say e fa nipa kro no go jina mbara no en bisa nipa kro nsem en di answers in free nipa kro say nipa kro no ya de ne court ne de ne fa the legal processes ni nia mu wie ni hu ni say wa ko mbra ya mbra ne be ka se fa nya na wo se di ya dem say ye beba as Attorney General usu so be di boni say odi di pa be be tina media ni ma ya press conference pe di pa ne say or your confo or your wi enti ne vi say wa wi ska no umpa adanse bi an koda court ama court embu ni pa crop for ne die yemi su se yemu no me hu ne say ene mbra ne boy bra because Ghana high way the BDA bia even criminal prosecutions na kra no it is governed by a law. The 1992 Constitution Ghana mambra ne kire say obia ye be tutu say waye boni mpo no ye presume say or ye innocent until say court papa ebe ka say nipa kro no oni mbra na boy bra na say nipa kro no ye guilty. But who heard as say Attorney General ne ye na waye press conference kuta say Owura Boahene ne yire ewie ska e di akoto dan e di akoto car don't we are convoy a protest near the idea. It's about Attorney General Kenya. We are not say if you show our dance here, Trete or my side. Minaba, Yakasa dance here, be out your quarter. Court not yet to say, wait, you as a dance here. Again, the lawyer, friendly be said the admissibility of evidence. But I can say, it's a more rare, Dominic Aini, lawyer Penny, lawyer Kumini or Ghana, I say, and the other two just say, a Boahene in any year, IABS can be, normally they have been got evidence. They say that the ability to describe a information and not a story. We cannot now say a evidence that we say, and yet, agent in young fan court to my court in Jin Fung say, I'm not agent, no, evidence. It's the American yan, there's no be the Bonia, you're funny for corner from Brown, other than say, the media name, prosecuting media, Nipano media name, converting Nipano media name, because yes, I'm not near prejudicing a summer that court, because it's the age now, you know. Well, my mom for the baby, I think you almost said, who will do Boahene or your comfort, who will do Boahene, your comfort.
Mira, Medas, I'm sa point no one make here, we na where the water room, BBI, media lawyer, see, be the need to know. BBC our manu munase ebeka o manu nyina ma obia bisasa na de na ekoso ya they need to know ne say obama nipa na te de ekoso ase enti say Attorney General tu anamo bi ati sei na obetena se BBC say na yehu enti e de court enti samoti say BBC asia e ma anya mo wanwa na oman ni de akire ehwe say no kraso o mabo oman no kro no a ye de na famra kwa so a wogidi say wafum bebre say de wuchire mi
Asama obisa mi say Attorney General no e de betu jaka say ye di nipa na court nti mu say BBC tie ma mo nyɛ ma ne nya Ghana for wa say that Attorney General ne ka na ko bia ni problem but look Attorney General ne press conference or sometime in March na no last week you say he categorically said we do Boahene ne yere no e ya comfort na make about basis to say Attorney General ne yes na o prejudice assembly that court and assembly that court and Attorney General ne di court na nim kan e di kan wa be ka say the corner e ya comfort e ya poster so yes na o be say assembly court not say when the man secure conviction of the corner and na ko dina court na dia all year ni ta man for be start ka say I na judge le ko aka men ye fa na juma na judge le ko na assembly when di ni ye and a branch ni e to we can on ni ye no court and judge na ka say ye jam we are now set up the judiciary for radical and you are putting the judiciary into disrepute and your proper as lawyers ye we are trained and guided say ye be ye bia e dey accept ye no e be point to dispute and not say e be mamon for e di judiciary na term
yo Mira meda sepa e won hyemu a odi amaye nti eba ne sa MPP anamo ben na mo pese mutu fa ho se Attorney General di kan be bua asemi e wa abonten nya adwuma ba ko pema me ne din eye Kwasibotwe Junior moma ye hunu cause Ghana de oka Kwasibotwe edin ba ko na ba ye tirim ye hunu se oye Kwasibotwe anase bia Kwasibotwe foforo ni Junior eno no lawyer ye dase ene enchechemu a odi amaye se the Attorney General said the order asem no ba ente se kwan bi so no obetimi ama Ghana yatemu adwuma no ya twetwe omo anase yesi atwetwe abra wo mbebu aten na ebia obeka se ye redu Boahene ne ho so nsa abro be wonye boni bia.
I will see how we soldier on.
How confident are you come 13th of May?
Well, there's a storm in the teacup. Somebody is trying to pretend that when you incarcerate Abner Boahene, will solve the IMF problems.
On Wednesday, you were very confident that
Balancing act. It's not on the strength of what the Attorney General has, but on the fact that you don't have to toy also with the liberty of the individual. So what the Attorney General wanted, the judge said, no, it's too long. So just use 7 days or whatever you think is residual to whatever you've done, and then come before me. But you see, this undermines totally what they are touting in the press, that they've gotten all the evidence against them and they should even come for plea bargaining. This is a lottery of a trial. That we should all look at it from the perspective of the razzmatazz, and the theatrics. This is a very painful somersault for the Attorney General. He said, I want more time. A man has been arrested 20th of March, and he got bail on the 8th of April. So was the Yoko sleeping on the matter?
When you said the Attorney General wanted a long time, what was
14 days. So that they do, experiment with somebody's liberty. The guy said no. And the further arrest you could have for the moment, is 7 days.
Is it the case that
Of it. If today Boahene is stronger than Yoko, and Boahene is stronger than the national security, then President Mahama is not safe. A man pitted his strength against the nation. You know, when they come and tell the court such cock and bull story, they believe that is the end of the matter. So we shouldn't diminish the power of Yoko by their own interest, and also national security. And they said, if there is something that Boahene can do to the nation Ghana, then President Mahama hasn't gotten the right national security and the right to Yoko. It's unfortunate.
on Wednesday?
any words? All right.